Worksheet Standard First EVS Test. Test on the body parts. Question first. Match the pairs. Hand, ear, mouth, nose. Write the correct letter. Complete the following picture's name. First picture is eye. E-Y-E. Second, leg. L-E-G. Third, H-A-I-R. Here. Fourth, neck. N-E-C-K. Join the body parts with its name. Eyes, hair, neck, nose, chest, arm, toes, hand, elbow, finger. Question number 3. How many of each do you have? Legs, 2. Nose, 1. Neck, 1. Eyes, 2. Head, 1. Ears, 2. Circle the correct answer. I see with my eyes. I taste with my tongue. I hear with my ears. I smell with my nose. I feel with my skin. तुम्हाला हा व्हिडिओ कसा वाटला हे कमेंटमध्ये नक्की सांगा. आणि जर आवडला असेल तर माझ्या चॅनलला लाईक, शेअर आणि सबस्क्राईब करा. आणि असेच आणखी नवनवीन व्हिडिओ पाहण्यासाठी त्या समोरील घंटी वाजवा. धन्यवाद.